If you're thinking about signing up for tinyEinstein AI, you're going to want to watch this video first. I've been testing out this tool for a few weeks now, and in this video, I'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about tinyEinstein AI before you sign up. And tinyEinstein AI is definitely not a perfect AI marketing manager tool. However, after comparing it to similar tools, I've actually chosen to continue using it, and I'll tell you exactly why that is throughout this video. Now, if at any point while watching this video, you decide you want to try tinyEinstein AI, you'll save quite a bit of money if you click the link in the description of this video before you create your account. Definitely take advantage of that link. I found it online and it saved me a lot of money when I signed up. So let's not waste any more time. Here's everything you need to know about tinyEinstein AI. First off, tinyEinstein AI is an AI tool that was designed to manage your marketing for your Shopify store, essentially helping you grow your store up to 10 times faster without costing you a whole lot of time. Running my own digital marketing business, I've had my fair share of experiences with AI marketing tools, and I have to say that tinyEinstein AI really stood out. I used the tool to automate my email marketing content for one of my Shopify stores. The process was pretty quick and simple. I pasted my About Us text into the company product details box, and the AI took over, writing a personalized message for my brand that I would say definitely helped drive conversions. I also liked that it gave me options to choose the tone for my brand. I tried out some of the options, and the generated content was pretty on point. However, there's no sugarcoating it. The price on this website is a bit high, but with that discount code that I've put in the description, you'll save a considerable amount of money when you sign up. And I genuinely think this tool is worth it for anybody who owns a Shopify store. So if you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.